They told us it was about safety. That's how it always starts. Now the cars are called nodes, no steering wheel, no override. You step in, state your destination, and wait not for the machine to think, but for permission to come back from somewhere else, route approved or route denied. Because nothing thinks locally anymore. Every decision is streamed, every action is an API call. Intelligence lives somewhere far away, owned, monitored, controlled, and if you try to bring it back, if you try to run it yourself, that's a crime, unauthorized inference. They say local models are dangerous, unregulated, unnecessary, but what they really mean is uncontrollable. So people stopped asking certain questions, stopped going certain places, not because they had to, but because the system made it easier not to, until the rumors started of machines that don't connect, of models that run in silence, of answers that aren't filtered, sovereign, AI, illegal, invisible, free. And once you see it, once you realize thinking doesn't have to be rented, you start to notice something. The system was never making life easier. It was making sure you never had a choice.